Hey there, zookeepers! Here's the basics of moving your camera in Planet Zoo. If you're new to video games or simulation games, you might not be familiar with Planet Zoo's camera controls. Don't worry, they're pretty simple once you get the hang of them. To move the camera around, use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard, or the arrow keys if you prefer. You can also hold the right mouse button and drag your mouse to pan the camera. To zoom in or out, simply use your mouse scroll wheel. To move the camera up or down, press the Q and E keys. If you want to rotate your view, hold the middle mouse button or press down on your scroll wheel and drag your mouse to orbit the camera around. You can combine all of these controls to position your camera however you like, whether you're planning your zoo from a bird's eye view or zooming in to watch your guests and animals up close. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.